It's half Sabbath. No, seriously, it's half Sabbath. It's Ozzy and Geezer. So Bogey's getting drunk somewhere. Yep. Well. Okay. Nice. Just don't even finish the fucking shit. And then go straight into the middle of Warpigs. Who the hell arranged this medley? Right. And we're only getting a minute of this. This is a Russian, that's at Moscow Festival. I know this is copyrighted. I'm not going to play the game, YouTube. I'm not going to play the game. Today's supply day. We got shit to do.